We'll guide you through how to make patterns Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. After the application opens, locate and open the Figma file where you want to create the patterns so you can start working on the canvas. Once the file is ready, go to the toolbar and click the drop-down icon on the shape tools to display the available shape options. From the list, select Polygon to create the base shape that will be used to form the pattern. Move your cursor to the canvas, then click and drag while holding the Shift key to draw the polygon with equal proportions. After creating the polygon, duplicate the object by pressing Ctrl D on the keyboard. This will create a second copy of the same shape on the canvas. With the duplicated shape selected, locate the Properties panel on the right side, and click the flip vertical icon to mirror the duplicated shape. Once the shape is flipped, adjust the layout and position of both objects so they match the arrangement shown in the video example. Next, select both objects by dragging over them or holding Shift while clicking each one. After both shapes are selected, press Ctrl G to group them into a single object. With the grouped object selected, scroll down in the Properties panel until you find the Fill section. Change the fill type to Gradient to add color variation to the shapes. Now change the first gradient color according to your preference. For example, use the color code 𝗕𝘂𝗀𝗃𝗃𝐹. After that, change the second gradient color according to your preference. For example, use the color code 𝗕1200𝐹. These two colors will blend across the shape and give the pattern a smooth color transition. Next, return to the toolbar and click the drop-down icon on the shape tools again. This time select Rectangle to create the container that will hold the pattern. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the rectangle. With the rectangle selected, open the Fill section in the Properties panel and change the fill type to Pattern. Click the Select Source button, then click on the shape that was created earlier to use it as the pattern source. Adjust the alignment by setting it to Align Center. Then adjust the scale according to your design needs and modify the spacing to control the distance between pattern elements. After finishing the adjustments, click the X icon to close the panel. Review the pattern on the canvas and make any additional adjustments if necessary.